In this video, I want to go ahead and fix a bug that we have where basically we can only spawn a single power up. So basically the issue here is we are going through and grabbing a random power up from our array, which is it's of our data asset. Then we are checking, does the power up exist? If it doesn't, then we spawn it, which it then will automatically register itself with the subsystem and all that. But the problem is we only have one base class, which is our powerup.h that we are testing with. If we had, all unique classes, this would be just fine. So we're testing the class against a class, which is not going to work because, again, they all have the same class. So what we want to do instead is compare the data. So what we can do is go to our powerup.h. We have our set powerup data. Let's also add a getter. So PDA powerup get powerup data. And this simply will return powerup data. So in our powerup world subsystem, let's change this out. So if powerup get powerup data equals powerup definition, then we know we have a match. So let's go ahead and run our live coding and see if this resolves it. So now we should be able to spawn all three power-ups that we defined in our game mode without locking up. But once we go on the fourth, then we should, again, lock up just like before. Okay, let's press play and give it a try. So max ammo. Insta-kill. Now we should have a nuke. And now we should lock up. Which we do. Okay, so that resolves that problem. So I mostly just wanted to get that out of the way, so that way, well, everything, works as expected, so we can continue to test. So we no longer need this log, and yeah, that's all I can really think of for this video, so I'm going to leave it here. Actually, this could be because we're just reading from it, a const, and yeah, so we're good to go. So I'll see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.